Hey everybody, it's great here, and in this video, I'm going to share a couple of clips graded with Hard Film's Power Grades. So stick around to the second part of this video, and I'll walk you through the tutorial in Davinci Resolve. Now you can use this in Davinci Resolve, Final Cut, or Adobe Premiere Pro, but the Power Grades are specifically designed for Davinci Resolve. So stick around for part 2 to check this part out.
No more talking about it, the way it is, the way it is. It's no mystery, there's no getting around it. When you're here, we got chemistry. We light up when we ignite. We're stars in a darkened sky. When you leave, don't forget to remember. Don't forget to remember me. When you leave, don't forget to remember. Don't forget to remember me. Remember me.
All right, so here we are in the color tab. If you look at the bottom of the screen, we're in the color tab of Davinci Resolve. You can see I have the Power Grades on the left. All you have to do is hover over one of these and you can see how the color changes. Now these are more than just lookup tables. These are Power Grades. So you can see over to the right, it's exposure and white balance, then the actual LUT, then we have glow and grain. Now what you would do is you would install these in Davinci and then you would just hover over a clip and then just see if that matches the look that you're kind of going for. And then if you see that it's working for you, then you just apply the grade. So for example, you would just right click the grade and then you would just say apply grade. And then you'll see all these nodes appear. So what I can do is I could just get rid of these right now. I'll just delete these. And so you can see that's just how it looks. It's flat footage. So we would go over this. And this is the one I used for this scene here. So it's Helios, and I would right click and apply grade. You can see we have the grade applied now. Now, if I wanted to adjust anything, all I'd have to do is click on each node. So I would use this one for exposure and white balance adjustments. I could crank up some saturation here, possibly. I could adjust the grain. So to adjust the grain, I would click on it, see it's highlighted in red. I click on Open Effects, and then you can see I have all these options that I can adjust. So you can play around with the different settings. If maybe there's too much grain in this Power Grade for you, or you want to make little tweaks or adjustments, it's that easy. And then you would just go to your next clip, and then you would see what Power Grade would work for you. Like I said, you right click it, apply grade, and then you can make adjustments to each node. So the nodes are already created for you. So I think that's pretty cool to be able to have the whole Power Grade applied to a clip, and then that gets you in a good starting place for your grade. So I'll put a link in the description box below. It's from With Heart Films, and these are for Sony A7S S-log3 footage, also working with the FX3 S-log3 footage, since they're both the same camera sensor. And you can see here's some of the LUTs that I used, or the Power Grades, the Helios. I also used the Aether, I think that's how you pronounce it. I use the Gaia. So it depends on how you shot it and what kind of look you're going for, but these would all give you a pretty good starting point for your grades. So check them out. I'll put a link in the description box below this video. All right, thanks for watching this video. If you're not already a subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and then also hit that bell notification so you get updates when my next video goes live. Also, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button. And if you have any comments or questions, you can post them down below. All right, thanks for watching this video. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.